Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 1st of November. All right, taking a look at yesterday's market, a fair bit of data came out. We'll start off from the US, where we saw the employment cost index number coming better than forecasted at 1.1%, and the CB consumer confidence number at 102.6. This was a positive for the currency. We also saw from Japan the interest rates remained at negative 0.1%. However, in the monetary statement, Japan has lifted its CPI forecast for this fiscal year and next year. What this did was it disappointed investors, and there was a lot of yen weakness yesterday. In particular, US yen pair shooting up around about 250 odd pips from memory. Also this morning, it just came out around about 15 minutes ago from New Zealand, the employment change number for the quarter minus 0.2%, which was worse than the forecasted, and the unemployment rate remains at 3.9%. The initial movements on, I had a quick look at the Aussie New Zealand, around about 50 pips. It's moving around while investors absorb this data. That's pretty much all that's happened in the last session. So let's just jump into our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning is the Euro CAD on a daily timescale. If you have a look at this particular chart, I've identified a channel. I know that there's this area here which is outside of the channel, but what I'm focusing on is this region here. Okay, we have had two touches on the top where the market has bounced down, and we've also had two touches on the bottom where the market has bounced up. So we are there now again for a third time, and the question is, will it reject one more time and trade into the channel? So what we're looking for is confirmation that the market is reversing. So in other words, it's come up to the hot zone. If it shows us a sign that it's reversing, well, then we are happy to become sellers. At the time right now, we are just changing over candles. The new candle will start shortly in here somewhere. So if we get a candle that looks like that, like an inside candle, or if we get a pattern which is one of our reversal patterns, well, then tomorrow morning we'll be ready to basically sell this pair. So this morning it is the Euro CAD on a daily timescale, which is our chart of the day. Okay, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have at 11:15 p.m. Sydney time the private sector non-farm employment job numbers due out from the US. We also have the ISM manufacturing PMI number and the JOLTS opening number at 1 a.m. Our time. And then before I speak to you next at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning from the US, we have the Federal Reserve giving out its interest rates decision and its FOMC statement with their monetary policies. So look out for that for any US dollar traders. That pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.